All right. So yeah, hi guys. The update for today is I did the SAP technique yesterday. Today I did the scanning method. It's basically to read the first para, then each first line of each para, and write short notes about that, and then read whole thing in one go without thinking much about it, just glimpsing it throughout and just getting the gist of it. From Lokesh Sharma's VARC course from an academy. It has I explained to you guys yesterday about the free trial or something like that sort. And yeah, completed almost 18 lectures of his. All were 2.5 hours long. Yeah, of course I watched it into 2 speed. And yeah, doing that I will do the RC basics and the critical reasoning advanced ones. Most of the guys are recommending those two courses to get the most out of it. And it started to rain, so see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.